So I'm waiting for gold to break out of this range that it's sitting in here at the moment. If it goes below 1933.08, I'll be going for a sell. If it goes the other way and it goes above 1943, I'll be taking a buy. So it's a new week this week, and I am about to start my week today. However, guys, I have decided that I am going to do another prop firm challenge. Yes, I was really disappointed with what happened with my Forex fund. I may withdraw money from my profit that I've gained and invest it into a prop firm. I haven't taken a trade as yet. I'm still at $440 on my account. I'm really looking forward to getting that account to $500. I wasn't able to actually do so last week because I was doing nights. I had 3 night shifts to do, and I don't like trading during my nights. So this week for sure I am off. I've got 2 weeks annual leave. So I'm going to use my 2 weeks annual leave and see how much I can grow my account, because I've got more time that I can spend on my chart, analyze my chart, and maybe do 2 sessions, because I normally just do the London session or I just do the New York session. Okay. And another thing, guys, I mainly trade gold. Recently added in GJ onto my charts, and I still don't feel comfortable trading GJ. I am very comfortable trading gold because I've been trading gold, as I said before, for a few months now, and I'm quite happy with gold. After doing this challenge with my $100 to my $500, and I see how much I have progress within the last 14 days, I'm quite pleased. And I strongly believe that, me doing a prop firm challenge will actually lead me into the direction that I'm really looking for. Hence, I am going to take another challenge. Once I've started that challenge, I would let you guys know, and I will be very transparent with it so you can see from start to finish where I am with that challenge. I am not sure as yet which firm I am going to choose. Once I've gotten that account to 500, I am going to use some profits out of that account and buy myself a challenge. Okay. Another thing, again, I don't want to do the 2-step verification. I just think it's a waste of time. I just want a prop firm that is offering a 1-step verification. So that's what I'm looking for at the moment. So if you guys know of any prop firm that is in good standing at the moment and you can recommend it to me, put it in my comments below. I would really appreciate that. Quite pleased with my progress this far. I am 3 years plus now, and I'm seeing myself really, 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 really being successful in this, and thanks for all the support.